Living Seed Media brings to you God's Word, which is His comprehensive equipment for changing lives. May the Lord impact your heart as you encounter His Word. For further inquiry or counsel, contact Peace House, P.O. Box 971, Boko, Benue State, Nigeria. Telephone numbers 0703 0363659, 0703 7681198. Email address lsmedia@livingseed.org or visit our website at www.livingseed.org. Let us sit back and listen as the servant of God brings forth the word of life.
The theme of our gathering this weekend, this year, is a home for godly seeds. Now, many people, when they saw this theme, what comes to their mind is that we are going to be talking about children and how to raise children up. Now, if we spend the entire weekend talking about that, that's not profitable for us because the children are not here. If you watch even on the program, you will see that the one word in red is not godly seeds, it is the home.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá wo ìwé ètò ọwọ́ wa gan, ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n fi ọ̀dà pupa kọ kì í ṣe irú ọmọ bíi ti Ọlọ́run ṣùgbọ́n ó ní ilé, ìdílé.
The focus is going to be on the home.
Àfojúsùn wa gan ó ní lórí ilé yẹn gangan.
The home atmosphere, the home relationship that will automatically produce godly seeds.
Ilé yẹn gan, agbègbè yẹn gan, eléyìí tí ó ṣe àmújáde àwọn irú ọmọ bíi ti Ọlọ́run.
The relationship between husband and wife that will produce godly children.
Ìbáṣepọ̀ láàrin ọkọ àti aya tí ó ṣe ìmújáde irú ọmọ bíi ti Ọlọ́run.
It is not the fault of the children that they are turning out not godly. The fault is the home atmosphere from which they come.
Kì í ṣe pé àwọn ọmọ yẹn ló kúkú ní wàhálà lórí pé wọ́n ń ya nǹkan tí wọ́n ń yà pé ayé wọn ò jọ ti ìwà bí Ọlọ́run bí kò ṣe agbègbè àti ilé tá a ti ṣẹ̀dárú àwọn ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ jáde.
It is the home atmosphere that produces the kind of children that we see on the streets.
Àyíká ilé eléyìí tí ọmọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ti jáde ni yóò sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tá à ń rí lójú títì káàkiri.
If a home atmosphere is wrong,
tí agbègbè ilé kan tó bá jẹ́ léyìí tó lòdì tí ò dáa,
there is no way right children can come from that home.
Kò sí bírú àwọn ọmọ tó tọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe lè jáde wá láti inú ìdílé bẹ́ẹ̀.
What you see on the children outside,
ohun tá à ń rí lára àwọn ọmọ tá à ń rí káàkiri níta yẹn,
is a reflection of the home from where they came.
Ó jẹ́ ìtànsán tó wá láti inú ìdílé tí wọ́n ti jáde wá.
If we want to correct what we see about the children outside,
tá a bá fẹ́ ṣe àtúnṣe lórí àwọn ọmọ tá à ń rí káàkiri lóde yẹn,
it is not to be shouting on the children outside.
kì í ṣe pé ká máa kélé àwọn ọmọ yẹn lórí.
It is to find out what is the condition of where they came from.
Òun ni láti lọ ṣe àwárí báwo ni ibi tí wọ́n ti jáde wá báwo ló ti rí.
The Yoruba proverb is very pertinent at this time.
Òwe àwọn Yorùbá yẹn ó wúlò lákòókò yìí.
Amúkùn ẹrù ẹwọ́.
Ó ní òkèlè ń wò.
Reinterpret what I have said.
Amúkùn your load is not straight.
Who is amukun in English?
amúkùn náà ni.
The layman.
lẹ́mbà.
ṣe mọ tí ń já amukun? The man is walking like this.
ẹni tí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ ò nà dáadáa.
You see somebody's load at the top.
ẹnìkan tó gbé ẹrù.
You see his load doing like this.
ẹ rí ẹrù ẹ̀ tí ó máa fì bó ṣe ń lọ pẹ̀lú ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ tó
And
wọ́.
they say,
wọ́n á ní
the load on your head is bent.
pé ẹrù tó rù lórí yìí ó wọ̀.
What did he say?
kí ló wí?
You are looking at the wrong place.
ibi tó yẹ ká ẹ wò kọ́lẹ̀ ń wò.
Stop looking up.
ẹ yé wòkè.
Where should you look?
bó ní ká ẹ wò.
Down.
ìsàlẹ̀ ní ká ẹ
The
wò.
problem is not up.
wàhálà yẹn gan kì í ṣàtòkè ló ti wá.
Where is the problem?
bó ló ti wá.
It's down.
àti ìsàlẹ̀.
The problem with our children is not with our children.
wàhálà pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ wa kì í ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ yẹn.
The problem with our children is the home atmosphere from which they come.
wàhálà pẹ̀lú wọn ni irú agbègbè ìdílé tí a ti mú wọn jáde.
So this weekend,
tó náà lópin ọ̀sẹ̀
we
yìí
want to look at the kind of home
a fẹ́ wo irú ìdílé
that can produce godly children.
eléyìí tó lè ṣe àmújáde irú àwọn ọmọ bíi ti
The kind of relationship that must be in that home.
ìbáṣepọ̀ tó gbọ́dọ̀ wà nírú ìdílé bẹ́ẹ̀.
The kind of activities that must be going up in that home.
àwọn nǹkan tó gbọ́dọ̀ máa lọ nínú irú ilé bẹ́ẹ̀.
The input of the father,
ojúṣe ti bàbá.
the input of the mother,
ojúṣe ti ìyá.
the joint input of parents,
ojúṣe àjọpapọ̀ ti àwọn òbí.
the careful way to make sure that there is an environment that will grow the kind of children we want.
ọ̀nà ìkíyèsára láti rí i dájú wípé agbègbè láti múrú àwọn ọmọ eléyìí tá a fẹ́ jáde wá ó wà.
That's what we want to be looking at this weekend.
ohun tá a fẹ́ wò lópin ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí nìyí.
But as a beginning,
ṣùgbọ́n láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀.
and this is going to be how do I put it, the source of coloring of the entire home atmosphere.
eléyìí wá ní ó jẹ́ bí orísun ibi tá a ti wo agbọ̀nà tó yẹ ká wò dágbà wo gbogbo tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú
What
ìdílé yẹn.
colors the entire house?
ohun tí yóò mú kí ìdílé òun kó rí bó ṣe yẹ kó rí tí ó jẹ́ bó
What
ṣe yẹ kó
colors
jẹ́.
the entire relationship between husband and wife?
ohun tí ó yẹ kó mú bí ìbáṣepọ̀ ohun tó mú bí ìbáṣepọ̀ láàrin ọkọ àti aya yẹn bó ṣe yẹ kó wá.
The source of the atmosphere
orísun bí agbègbè yẹn ṣe yẹ kó
that
rí
is between husband and wife,
láàrin ọkọ àti aya.
which even though we will deal with it tonight
eléyìí tó jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ a ó yẹ̀ wò lálẹ́
in a small way,
lọ́nà kékeré náà ni.
it will be what we will keep looking at from different angles as we go on.
nǹkan tá a wà tẹjú mọ́ láti onírúurú igun.
You will follow me to Mark chapter 10,
ẹ tẹ̀lé mi lọ Máàkù orí kẹwàá.
and we are going to see the same story that Matthew recorded.
nǹkan kan náà tí Matthew ṣe àkọsílẹ̀ rẹ̀ a ó jọ wò ó.
And I particularly saw some one or two words that Mark introduced that is also interesting.
mo tiẹ̀ wá rí ọ̀rọ̀ kan àbí bíi méjì tí Máàkù náà lò tó náà sì tó jẹ wá lógún.
So let me allow the Yoruba man to read from Mark chapter 10, and from verse 2 you will read down onto let's stop at verse 9.
bóyá a ó kà ní èdè Yorùbá láti ẹsẹ̀ ìkejì bóyá ká dá dúró ní ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹsàn-án.
Please read fast.
àwọn Farisí sì tọ̀ ọ́ wá wọ́n dán án wò wọ́n sì bi léèrè wípé ó tọ́ fún ọkùnrin kí ó fi aya rẹ̀ sílẹ̀. ó sì dáhùn ó sì wí fún wọn pé àṣẹ kí ni mo pa fún yín. wọ́n sì wí pé Mósè yọ̀ǹda fún wa láti kọ ìwé ìkọsílẹ̀ fún un kí a sì fi í sílẹ̀. Jésù sì dá wọn lóhùn ó sì wí fún wọn pé nítorí líle àyà yín ni ó ṣe kọ irú òfin yìí fún yín. ṣùgbọ́n láti ìgbà tí ayé ti ṣẹ̀ Ọlọ́run dá wọn ti akọ ti abo. nítorí èyí ni ọkùnrin yóò ṣe fi bàbá àti ìyá rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tí yóò sì fara mọ́ aya rẹ̀. àwọn méjèèjì á sì di ara kan. nítorí náà wọn kì í ṣe méjì mọ́ bí kò ṣe ara kan. ẹsẹ̀ ìkẹsàn-án nítorí náà ohun tí Ọlọ́run bá so ṣọ̀kan kí ènìyàn kí ó má ṣe yà wọ́n.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Moses wrote a precept for the people.
Mósè ó kọ fún àwọn èèyàn yẹn ìlànà àtẹ̀lé.
He told them,
ó sọ fún wọn.
when you are no longer happy with your husband, with your wife,
tínú rẹ ò bá ti dùn sí ìyàwó ẹ mọ́.
because your wife is doing something you don't like,
torí pé ìyàwó rẹ ó ṣe nǹkan tó fẹ́.
you are free to write her a bill of divorcement
ó wà lómìnira láti jáwèé fún un.
and send her back to her father's house,
kó wá rán padà lọ ilé bàbá ẹ̀.
and you will be alright.
kò sì sí tí ó tẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ jáde.
The meaning of that is,
ìtumọ̀ ìyẹn ni pé
if you marry one
tó o bá fẹ́ kan
and you don't like her after some time,
tó bá wá yá tí ó wọ̀ ọ́ mọ́,
what do?
kí ló ṣe?
You tear. You say konjawe fún, so how do you say that in English? You tear
book for
you tear book for her and send her back home.
wàá jáwèé fún wàá sì rán padà lọ ilé bàbá rẹ̀.
Then you marry another one.
wàá tún wá lọ fẹ́
tó
mi.
bá tún wò yẹn náà tó wò
you
yé,
look at that one too.
and that one too is not doing well.
ìyẹn náà ṣe dáadáa.
wàá tún ṣe kí ni?
wàá tún ṣe kí ni?
You jáwèé for
wàá
him
jáwèé lé lọ́wọ́.
and send him back.
wàá rán lọ ilé
So
bàbá
you
ẹ̀.
can keep marrying
ó wá lè máa fẹ́ wọn bẹ́ẹ̀.
and be writing a
kọ́
bill.
wa máa jáwèé fún wọn
He said
lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan.
write a bill.
pé kọ ìwé
You
ìkọ̀sílẹ̀.
know, I remember that bill you write them in the National Assembly.
ní National Assembly nílé ìgbìmọ̀ asòfin lókè lọ́hùn wọ́n máa ń kọ àwọn
àwọn òwe
ìwé
oríṣiríṣi.
oríṣiríṣi bí wọ́n ti fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan.
You tear book for him,
wàá jáwèé
for her,
fún wàá
and
jáwèé
send
fún
her away.
wàá rán lọ.
Now, Jesus said,
Jésù wí pé
it is true that Moses,
òótọ́ ni Mósè.
because Moses was the lawgiver,
torí pé Mósè ó ní olùfúnni lófin.
Moses was the one that was crafting the bills for God's people to live by in the olden time.
òun ló ń kọ òfin sílẹ̀ eléyìí tí àwọn ènìyàn Ọlọ́run ó fi gbé ayé wọn ní ìgbàanì.
Moses was the National Assembly for God's people in the time of old age.
aṣòfin àti amòfin ní àkókò gbàanì.
When they bring a matter to him,
tí wọ́n bá gbé ọ̀rọ̀ kan wá wájú ẹ̀.
Moses has the responsibility of checking it out,
ojúṣe Mósè ó ní pé kó yẹ̀ wò.
and he will determine what is the right thing to do.
a wá wò pé tó èwo wá ní akọ́ńbẹ́ òwò ló ṣe pàtàkì o.
When I looked at Moses,
ìgbà mo wo Mósè.
Moses was the executive,
Mósè náà aláṣẹ.
he was the judiciary,
òun náà ni
Moses was the what? The National Assembly.
òun náà tó ní
He
àwọn
was the
aṣòfin.
legislature.
òun náà ni àwọn tó ń
All
ṣòfin.
the three functions were performed by this man Moses.
ojúṣe mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta yìí Mósè nìkan ló ń ṣe.
He's the one that determine who is right and wrong, like the courts.
òun ni ó sọ pé eléyìí ló jẹ̀bi eléyìí ló jàre.
He's the one who makes the laws for the people to live by.
òun ni ó sọ òfin fún àwọn èèyàn yẹn tí wọ́n fi gbé.
He's also the one that executes all the laws that have been written for the people.
òun náà ni ó tún wá mú òfin yẹn ṣẹ eléyìí tó ti kọ fáwọn èèyàn yẹn.
The reason is because the children of Israel were living under what you call a theocracy.
ìdí tó fa ilé ni pé àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì wọ́n ń gbé lábẹ́ ohun tá a lè pè ní
Theocracy. You know there is democracy.
ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ìjọba káwọn èèyàn ṣe káwa náà ṣe.
Ìjọba kíni? Àwarawa
ìjọba
ẹgbàá.
àwarawa wà.
The government of the people, by the
ìjọba àwọn
people,
èèyàn
for the
ìjọba àwọn
people.
èèyàn fún àwọn èèyàn.
But theocracy
ṣùgbọ́n ìjọba eléyìí tá à ń sọ yìí.
is the government
ó ní ìjọba
of God,
ti Ọlọ́run
by God,
látọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run fúnra ẹ̀
for God.
fún Ọlọ́run fúnra ẹ̀.
That is the system of government that people rebelled against.
ètò ìjọba eléyìí tí àwọn èèyàn yẹn takò nìyẹn.
So many years later,
tó náà lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún
they say we
ìgbà
are
yẹn.
Samuel.
ni
We
wọ́n
want to be like all other nations.
àwa náà fẹ́ dàbí àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè yòókù.
Give us a king.
yan ọba fún wa.
We want to elect our leader.
àwa gan fẹ́ máa yan àwọn
We want
aládarí wa.
to be the one to control our leader.
a fẹ́ jẹ́ kan náà tí ó mọ̀ darí àwọn aládarí
We
wa.
want the government of the people.
a fẹ́ ìjọba
By
àwọn
the
èèyàn
people.
látọ̀dọ̀ àwa
For
èèyàn
the
fúnra wa.
We want our government
a fẹ́ ìjọba wa.
by ourselves.
àwa náà là ń yàn.
For ourselves.
fún àwa yìí náà ni.
When Samuel was getting annoyed,
ìgbà tí ló ń bí Samuel lórí
say,
ọ̀rọ̀ ó ní
why are you doing like this?
ló tẹ̀ ń ṣe báyìí.
Am I not good enough?
ṣé bí ìṣèyàn dáadáa tó ní.
God said, you are not the one. No.
ọlọ́run ní ìwọ kọ́ o.
You are not the one they rejected.
ìwọ kọ́ ni wọ́n kọ̀.
What they are rejecting is my theocracy.
ohun tí wọ́n ń kọ̀ ni jíjọba mi lórí wọn.
They want to rule themselves.
wọ́n fẹ́ darí ara wọn.
They want to do the things they want to do by themselves.
ìjọba tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe fúnra wọn náà fẹ́ ṣe.
And they don't want me to be the one
wọ́n
in
sì
charge.
fẹ́ kó jẹ́ pé mi ní wà nídìí ìṣàkóso.
But before that time,
bọ̀ ṣáájú àkókò yẹn.
when Moses was in charge,
ìgbà tí Mósè ń bẹ ní ìṣàkóso.
Moses was the man of God.
Mósè gan ni ìránṣẹ́ ọlọ́run yẹn.
He was the representative of God.
òun gan ló ń sojú ọlọ́run.
When Moses arrived in a place,
ìgbà tí Mósè bá ti dé ibì kan.
as far as the people are concerned,
níwọ̀n bó ṣe kan àwọn èèyàn yẹn.
who has arrived?
ta ló dé. ta ló dé.
God.
ọlọ́run ló dé.
When Moses has made a judgment,
ìgbà tí Mósè bá gbé ìdájọ́ kan kalẹ̀.
who has spoken?
ta ló sọ̀rọ̀.
Whenever Moses said from now on,
ìgbàkúùgbà tí Mósè bá ní láti àkókò yìí lọ.
whatever anybody does like this and like this,
ohunkóhun tẹ́nìkan bá ṣe báyìí tó tún wá rí báyìí.
this is what we shall do to him.
ohun tá a ṣe sírú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
As far as the people is concerned,
níwọ̀n bó ṣe kan ọlọ́run.
who has spoken?
ta ló sọ̀rọ̀.
Who has made a law?
ta ló ṣòfin.
Who is going to be the judge?
ta ni ó ṣe adájọ́.
Everything was gone.
gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni ọlọ́run ni.
Now you know today,
ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé lónìí.
God has people like that also
ọlọ́run láwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
that are supposed to be speaking for him.
tó yẹ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ fún.
But before I come to the people of today,
ṣùgbọ́n ká wá tó dórí àwọn èèyàn tòní.
you know, if you read this in the Old Testament,
tẹ́ ẹ bá ka nǹkan yìí nínú májẹ̀mú láéláé.
it's because of our time now we will have done the study
torí
seriously.
àkókò wa ni a bá lọ wò ó.
But if you go to Deuteronomy
ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ wo Deuteronomy.
22, 23, 24, 26,
ìkẹtàlélógún títí ó
several of those places,
ibi yẹn báyẹn.
when they do something,
tẹ́ bá ṣe
they will
nǹkan.
carry it to Moses.
wọ́n á gbé lọ́dọ̀ Mósè.
Moses will check it.
Mósè àwa wò ó.
It was Moses' responsibility. It was
ojúṣe
Moses.
Mósè.
When they bring a matter,
tí wọ́n bá gbé ọ̀ràn kan tọ̀ wá.
you remember in Exodus 18,
ẹ rántí ní Ẹ́xódù orí kejìdínlógún.
Jethro gave him a counsel. Do you remember that counsel?
ó gbà nímọ̀ràn kan ṣe é rántí ìmọ̀ràn yẹn.
Don't sit down.
má jókòó
You are the
kalẹ̀.
legislator.
ìwọ
You
náà
are
ló ń
the
ṣòfin.
judiciary.
ìwọ ló ń
You
dájọ́.
are this.
ìwọ náà ló ń ṣe lé.
Don't sit down.
ìwọ nìkan má dá jókòó.
Let the people be handling the small
jẹ́
cases.
káwọn èèyàn máa ṣe àwọn kéékèèké inú ẹ̀.
When they meet a case that they cannot
tí wọ́n
handle,
bá wá rè é tó le jù wọ́n lọ.
let them bring it to
kí
you.
wọ́n gbé wá fún ọ.
But Jethro gave a counsel
Jethro ó fún un nímọ̀ràn yẹn.
that I am discovering that Moses did not always follow.
tí mo ṣàkíyèsí pé Mósè kò sábà tẹ̀lé.
What did Jethro tell Moses?
kí ni Jethro sọ fún
He
Mósè.
said you should be for the people God word
ó ní pé kó o jẹ́ ẹni tó yẹ mọ̀ gbà látọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run fún àwọn èèyàn yẹn.
and take from God,
kó o sì gbà látọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run
give to the people.
fún àwọn èèyàn yẹn.
So we are discovering something
à ń ṣàkíyèsí nǹkan kan
in the matter of marriage.
tó ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbéyàwó.
So I imagine when the trouble between man and woman living together became terrible.
wá wo ìgbà tí wàhálà tó ń bẹ tó ń jáde láàrin ọkọ àtaya tó wá ń burú sí i tó ń lé.
I don't like this that you are
ó
doing.
jẹ́ ìfẹ́lẹ́ tó ń ṣe yìí.
And you too ńkọ́.
ìwọ náà ń kọ́.
Why are you doing like
ló tí
this?
wọn náà ṣe báyìí.
Today,
lónìí
problem husband and wife.
wàhálà ọkọ àtaya.
Tomorrow,
ọ̀la
problem of husband and wife.
wàhálà ọkọ àtaya.
Next tomorrow,
ọ̀túnla
problem of
wàhálà ọkọ àtaya.
young marriages,
àwọn tó ṣe ìgbéyàwó
middle-aged marriages,
àwọn tí gbéyàwó ti pẹ́
those who are married for
àwọn
long.
tó ti gbéyàwó fún ìgbà pípẹ́.
Cases were piling up in front
wàhálà
of
wọn
Moses.
wá ń ṣí lérí ara wọn níwájú Mósè.
Moses now decided,
Mósè wá pinnu.
let's craft a bill.
ń dá sí ni pé ẹjẹ́ akọ òfin kan.
Let's make a law.
ẹjẹ́ akọ òfin kan.
These cases are too many.
wàhálà ẹ̀ wọ́n ti pọ̀ jù.
Pending cases are too many.
àwọn eléyìí tá àti ẹ̀ tí ìráyè pẹ̀kẹ́lù wọ́n pọ̀ ńlẹ̀.
People are quarreling and fighting every day.
àwọn tí ń bára wọn jà lójoojúmọ́ wọ́n pọ̀ ńlẹ̀.
Let's find something to do about
ẹjẹ́
it.
wá nǹkan ṣe sọ́rọ̀ wọn.
And the Bible said,
bíbélì wá wí
if
pé
not that we are reading it in Matthew,
tí ò bá jẹ́ pé à ń kà ní Matthew.
who did we think started divorce as far as the Old Testament is concerned?
kálárògbó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ ní
Eh?
bó ṣe kan májẹ̀mú láéláé.
We will have thought it was God.
àbá sọ kọ́nà ni.
When Moses went in
nígbà tí Mósè wọlé lọ
and came out,
tó sì
he
jáde
said, from now,
tó ní láti sin lọ.
if you don't like your wife again,
tó o bá fẹ́ràn ìyàwó ẹ̀ mọ́.
do what?
ṣé kí ni.
Write a bill for her
kọ́ ọkọ̀wé
and send her away.
fún oníwèé ìkọ̀sílẹ̀
The people
kó rán.
said,
àwọn èèyàn sọ pé
Amen.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
God
Olúwa
has
ní-
given us a rule to
Olúwa
live
ti
by.
fún wa nílànà tá a mọ̀ tẹ̀lé.
Old Testament,
májẹ̀mú láéláé.
they thought it was God
wọ́n rò pé Ọlọ́run
that
ni
gave them liberty to put away their
ló
wives.
fún wọn ní òmìnira láti léyàwó wọn lọ.
They did not know
wọ́n mọ̀ pé
the representative of God,
aṣojú Ọlọ́run
the man through whom God,
ọkùnrin nì ẹni tó yẹ pé nípasẹ̀ rẹ̀ ní Ọlọ́run.
God is the legislator,
Ọlọ́run òun náà ní
God
aṣòfin.
is the judiciary,
òun náà lọ olùdájọ́.
God is the
òun
executive.
náà ní àwọn apàṣẹ.
Inside that one man,
nínú ọkùnrin yẹn kan ṣoṣo.
people outside,
àwọn èèyàn tí ń bẹ lóde.
they did not know
wọ́n mọ̀ rárá.
that there was a case
pé ọ̀ràn kan bẹ ńlẹ̀.
that this man ought to have carried to God,
tí ọkùnrin yẹ kó ti gbé lọ síwájú Ọlọ́run.
but he did not carry them to God.
kò gbé lọ.
He decided to craft the bill
ó pinnu
by
fúnra
himself.
rẹ̀ láti kọ òfin yẹn fúnra ẹ̀.
Are you listening to me?
ǹjẹ́ ń tẹ́tí gbọ́ mi.
In the beginning,
ní àtètèkọ́ṣe.
the original concept
èyí tó jẹ́ ojúlówó tí Ọlọ́run gbé
that
kalẹ̀.
God established by himself
tí Ọlọ́run fúnra ẹ̀ fìdí ẹ̀
is
kalẹ̀.
that once you marry a woman,
ní pé tó ọba ìtìlẹ̀
it is
fẹ́yàwó rẹ̀.
until what?
títí tí kiri o.
Death
ikú
do you part.
yóò fi yà yín.
For this cause,
nítorí ìdí èyí
man will leave his father,
ọkùnrin yóò fi bàbá rẹ̀
he leave his father,
yóò fi bàbá ẹ̀
leave his
yóò
mother,
fi ìyá ẹ̀
and do what?
á wá ṣe kí ni
And
á
cleave
wá fà mọ́
to his wife
aya rẹ̀
until they die.
títí tí wọ́n fi.
That was the original bill
eléyìí ni ojúlówó ìta lè pè ní àkọsílẹ̀
at the beginning.
tó wà látètèkọ́ṣe.
Gbọ̀gbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ pin Mósè lẹ́mìí,
but when Moses was fed up.
overwhelmed, yes, he said, let's do something about this thing.
a gbọ́dọ̀ wá nǹkan ṣe sọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Unfortunately,
ó wá ṣe ní láàánú.
he did not carry it back to God.
kò gbé padà lọ sọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
Now let me quickly handle the case of many Moseses today.
ẹ wá jẹ́ ká sáré pẹ̀kẹ́lu ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ Mósè lónìí.
There are many Moseses today
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ Mósè ń bẹ lónìí o.
that they are supposed to be standing for
pé
God.
ó yẹ kí wọ́n dúró fún
They are
Ọlọ́run ni.
supposed to be doing something on behalf of
ó
God.
yẹ ká máa ṣe nǹkan.
They are supposed to be
Ọlọ́run.
speaking on behalf of
ó
God.
yẹ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ fún
They are
Ọlọ́run ni.
supposed to direct God's people according to God's principles.
ó yẹ ká darí àwọn ènìyàn Ọlọ́run ní ìgbékalẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run ni.
But
ṣùgbọ́n
like Moses,
bíi Mósè
there was a step that they omitted.
ìgbésẹ̀ kan ń bẹ tí wọ́n fò.
What is that step?
kí ni ìgbésẹ̀ yẹn?
The step of connecting with God
ìgbésẹ̀ pé kán sopọ̀ mọ́ Ọlọ́run.
to find out from God
láti wádìí lọ́dọ̀
what God
Ọlọ́run.
wants on this matter
kí ni Ọlọ́run fẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
before they speak to the
kí
people.
wọ́n tó bá àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀.
There was a step
ìgbésẹ̀ kan ń bẹ
of people coming to
pé
Moses.
àwọn èèyàn ń wá sọ́dọ̀ Mósè.
Moses' second step, he collected their problems.
Mósè ìgbésẹ̀ kejì ó gba ìṣòro wọn.
Third step should have been to
ìgbésẹ̀
carry
kẹta
the issue to
ó
God.
ní pé ó yẹ kó gbé padà lọ sọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
And the first step was that he was supposed to collect from
ìkẹrin
God
ó ní pé kó gbà láti ọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run
and turn back
kó wá yí padà
and give to the
kó
people.
wá fún àwọn ènìyàn.
But some along the line,
ṣùgbọ́n lójú ọ̀nà yẹn
the step of consulting the God that was there at the beginning
gbèsè pé kó bá Ọlọ́run tó mẹ́mẹ́ ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀
was omitted.
ó fò
And then he gave the people his own counsel.
ó wá fún àwọn ènìyàn yẹn ní ìmọ̀ràn tiẹ̀.
There may be many bishops today.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ bíṣọ̀pù lè wà lónìí o.
There may be many pastors today.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ pásítọ̀ lè wà lénìí o.
There may be many parents today
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òbí ó lè wà lénìí.
who are crafting their own bills.
àwọn tó jẹ́ pé fúnra wọn ni wọ́n ń ṣe àgbélẹ̀rọ òfin tiwọn.
They are crafting their own
wọ́n
principles.
jókòó ṣe àgbélẹ̀rọ àwọn ìgbékalẹ̀ tiwọn.
And they are checking how they think man and woman should relate together.
wọ́n wá ń ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò báwọn ṣe rò pé kí ọkùnrin àtobìnrin kájọ máa ṣe pọ̀.
And they are delivering it to God's people today.
èyí tí wọ́n wá ń gbé fún àwọn ènìyàn Ọlọ́run lénìí
And they
nìyẹn.
have omitted a step.
wọ́n á ti fo gbèsè kan.
So, but where I am going tonight
ibi mo wá ń lọ láṣálẹ̀
is a very small thing.
kò jìnnà.
Why?
kí ló fà á.
Why are these men
kí ló fà á táwọn èèyàn yìí.
who are supposed to speak for God,
tó yẹ kí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ fún Ọlọ́run.
they are supposed to speak from the people
ó yẹ kí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ látọ̀dọ̀ àwọn
to
ènìyàn
God
sí Ọlọ́run
and collect from God
àti láti ọ̀dọ̀
and give
Ọlọ́run
to the people?
kán fún àwọn ènìyàn.
Why are they omitting the step
èé ṣe
of
tí wọ́n
talking to
fo
God?
ìgbésẹ̀ bíbá Ọlọ́run sọ̀rọ̀.
Why?
Jésù sọ ìdí yẹn fún wa.
What was the reason?
kí ni tó fà á o.
Will you open to that Bible verse again?
ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣí bíbélì wa
Verse
sí
5.
ibi tá à ń kà yẹn.
Verse 5 of Mark chapter 10.
ẹsẹ̀ ìkarùn-ún Máàkù.
And
orí
Jesus
karùn-ún.
answered and said to them, you know, verse 4, they said, Moses suffered. This is the reason why I have not been reading this Mark.
ìdí tí ìfimọ́ ká Máàkù yìí pọ̀ náà.
I'm going to jump away from Mark now and go back to my Matthew.
mi náà fẹ́ jáwèé fún Máàkù.
Can we go back to Matthew chapter 19? Because what I want to say suddenly is not coming out very well from that.
ẹ já lọ.
Are you in Mark? Matthew?
Matthew.
Wrong. Chapter 19. His own story started from verse 3.
ẹsẹ̀ kẹta ní tiẹ̀ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
All right. Do you see what happened?
ṣé ti rí tó
When
tẹ̀lé?
Jesus finished speaking in verse 6,
gbàtí Jésù sọ̀rọ̀.
then the
ẹsẹ̀
people
kẹfà.
said to Jesus,
àwọn èèyàn yẹn wí fún Jésù.
why?
èé ṣe.
The question is what? Why?
béèrè ibẹ̀ ni pé kí ló.
Why did Moses then command to give a bill of a writing of divorcement
tí Mósè fi pàṣẹ láti fi ìwé ìkọ̀sílẹ̀
and put her in?
pé kó máa lọ.
And Jesus said,
Jésù wí pé
Moses, because of the hardness of your hearts,
Mósè
suffered you to put away your wives, but from the beginning it was not so. Yes, I'm reading verse 8, not verse 6. It's
ẹsẹ̀
verse
kẹjọ.
8.
ó wí fún wọn pé nítorí líle àyà yín ni Mósè ṣe jẹ́ fún yín láti máa kọ aya yín sílẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n láti ìgbà àtètèkọ́ṣe wá kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Nítorí kíni?
torí kí because of what?
Nítorí kíni? Líle àyà.
hardness of heart.
This person brings his wife
ẹni ìmúyàwó tiẹ̀
the
wá
first time.
ìgbà àkọ́kọ́.
Moses,
Mósè
you are the one who said we should not do this to our wife.
mo mú dé o ìwọ
You are
ló ní
the
àwọn
one.
ṣe báyìí sí
Yeah,
ìyàwó wa.
you said God will say we should love our wife.
ó ní ká fẹ́
I've been
yàwó wa.
loving this
mo
woman.
ti ń nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ
Look
o.
at what she is doing to me.
ìwọ tó ṣe fún mi.
Look at what she has done to me.
Ohun tó ti ṣe.
Look at what she has done to me.
Ohun tó ti ṣe.
I'm tired of her.
ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ti sú mi o.
Moses will say no.
Mósè àwa ni pé àkọ́sùn.
That's not how it is. Look at the word of God.
Wọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
God said like this.
Ọlọ́run wí
God
báyìí.
said like this.
Ó wí báyìí.
God said like
ó wí
this.
báyìí.
Go back.
ẹ padà lọ.
Go and do this to your
Lọ
wife.
ṣe lè fún
Go and
ìyàwó
do
ẹ.
this to your
Ṣe yẹn náà fún
husband.
ọkọ
Don't do
rẹ.
like that again.
Lọ ṣe báyẹn mọ́ o.
He says okay.
Ọ̀dà.
They went away.
wọ́n á lọ.
They started relating again.
wọ́n á tún máa
They
bára
started
wọn gbé.
relating.
wọ́n á máa bára wọn
2-3 days after.
ọjọ́ méjì mẹ́ta lẹ́yìn
What happened again?
kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀.
Moses.
Mósè.
I told you.
mo ti wí fún
This woman will never change.
obìnrin yìí ò lè yí padà.
This woman woman will never change.
obìnrin yìí ò ní gbọ́.
You remember the last time we
o
came
rántí
here?
ìgbà tá a wá bí kan.
You told him
ìwọ ló
you
sọ
should
fún
do like this.
pé kó ṣe
She
báyìí.
should do like
kó
this.
ṣe tọ̀hún.
She's not doing it.
kò ṣe o.
Madam. Kí
kí
ló dé tẹ́ ẹ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀?
madam why are you not doing
He
it?
say I'm doing it.
mo ń gbìyànjú mo ṣe.
Ọ̀bọ ńlágùn.
I'm trying my best.
Irun ìdí ọ̀bọ ni ò jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pọ̀ ọ̀bọ ńlágùn. I'm trying.
mo ń gbìyànjú.
But there's nothing I will do to this
kò
man.
sí nǹkan tí mo lè ṣe tí
That
mo fi
will
lè tẹ́
please
ọkùnrin
him.
tí mo fi lè tẹ́ ọkùnrin
Look at what I did.
ẹ̀yin náà wo
I
tí mo
did
ṣe.
like this.
mo ṣe
I
lè.
did you do like that? Why did you do like this?
irọ́ ló pa.
Moses say cool
mo ṣe
down, cool
ẹ̀yin
down, cool
pariwo
down.
àgbàntara yín ẹ bó
God-
ṣe bá mọ́.
God said
ọlọ́run wí pé.
this is the thing to follow.
báyìí là á ṣe.
This is what you should do.
èyí ló
this
gbọ́dọ̀
one
ṣe
shall
báyìí. báyìí ni kò ṣe.
Will you go and do it again?
ẹ lọ
He
gbìyànjú.
say Moses,
Moses.
you are the one
Ìwọ ló wí bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
you are the one that is king.
Ìwọ
Okay,
ló
let's
wí
go
bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
again.
Ọ̀dà ẹ̀jẹ̀ àtúntò.
They will go again.
ẹ̀jẹ̀ àtúntò.
When they did everything
Wọ́n á tún
after
ṣe.
3 days.
Jọ́
they
mẹ́ta
come-
lẹ́yìn.
Moses.
Mose.
Moses wait.
ẹ kọ́ sùúrù.
Yeah.
ẹ do.
If you don't like her again.
tó o bá fẹ́ mọ́.
If you don't like her
tó o
again.
bá wọ̀ pé o fẹ́ mọ́.
Send her away.
kò lé dànù.
I should send her away.
kí n lè.
I should send her away.
kí n lè.
Do you really? I should send her away.
ṣé kí n lè lóòótọ́. tòótọ́ ni mò ń sọ. ṣé kí n lè.
I should say you are the one who say I should send her
ṣé kí
away.
n sọ pé wọ́n ló ní
Kò
lè.
sí problem. So that
no
we will
problem.
know those who we have sent away.
ká lè bá àmọ́ àwọn ìta àti lé lọ.
Fi ọwọ́ rẹ ṣe kí ni?
use your own hand.
Kó o fi kọ̀wé.
write a bill.
Moses say it's not me o.
Moses sọ èmi kọ́.
If it is left to God.
tó bá jẹ́ pé nípa tọlọ́run ni.
God said
ọlọ́run wí pé.
for better for what for worse
ó rọ o ó lé o.
until death
títí
do you
ikú
part.
yóò fi yà yín.
But if you think you
Ṣùgbọ́n-
cannot stay again.
tó o bá wá wò ó pé o ò lè dúró mọ́.
Use your hand
mú ọwọ́ ara
to
rẹ.
do what?
kó o fi ṣe kí ni.
To write a will,
kó o
a
kọ
bill
ìwé yẹn.
and give it to.
ìwé ìkọsílẹ̀.
Now you see when Moses was doing that,
sìgbà tí Mósè ń sè yẹn.
he thought he was absolving himself,
òun wò pé òun ń yọra òun.
but he did not know that by giving that permission,
kò wá mọ̀ pé nípa fífún wọn láǹfààní yẹn.
he gave permission for the hardness of heart
ó fi
to express
àǹfààní
himself.
ó fi òmìnira líle àyà wọn láti farahàn dáadáa.
What is the problem between husband and
kí
wife?
ni ìṣòro láàrin ọkọ àtaya.
Jesus seems to think
Jésù wá dàbí kó ronú pé.
it is not that a man who married a woman cannot live together
kì í ṣe pé
forever.
ọ̀rọ̀ pé ọkùnrin kan tó fẹ́ yàwó kan o, wọn lè jọ gbé papọ̀
There is
títí
no
láéláé.
husband and wife that cannot live happily forever
kò sí
after.
ọkọ àti aya tí wọn lè jọ gbé papọ̀ láyọ̀.
If
títí
they
láé-
marry themselves properly,
tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ra wọn bó ti
there
tọ́.
is no relationship that cannot last until death do you
kò
part.
sí ìbáṣepọ̀ tí ò lè dúró títí ikú yóò fi yà wọ́n.
That is what God ordained at the beginning.
ohun tí ọlọ́run gbé kalẹ̀
But
láti
there
bẹ̀rẹ̀
is a
pẹ̀lú
problem.
ṣùgbọ́n wàhálà kan
The
bẹ́ẹ̀lẹ̀.
hardness of heart.
líle àyà.
The hardness of heart.
líle àyà. líle àyà.
It is the hardness of heart
líle àyà yẹn
that
gan-an
causes hardness of relationship.
ló mú líle ìbágbépọ̀ wá.
It is the hard-heartedness
ilé àyà
that causes hard relationship.
ló mú ìbágbépọ̀ tó le koko wá.
What causes friction?
kí ló mú à ń gbóra wa níbí lọ́hùn.
Hi, how do we describe friction now in Yoruba?
Yorùbá wo la fi wá sọ friction.
You know what you call friction
ẹ mọ̀
in
tá à ń
English
pè ní friction pé kó máa hara
is
wọn kó máa
the resistance.
kó máa fara
The
wọn sẹ́yìn
resistance.
kó jọ máa lọ́ra wọn.
Wait. The resistance between two solid objects.
nǹkan méjì tó ṣe é gbámú tán bá ń lọ ojú ara wọn tí wọ́n ń gbìyànjú àti ìkan fẹ́ kọjá ìkejì lónìí lọ tán ṣà ń wọ.
Wait now. Má sáré ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́, má ṣáájú ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ pẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́. Jẹ́ ń pẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ mi kó tó tẹ̀lé. Mo mẹ́yẹ bọ̀ lápò ní. O tí mọ̀ bọ́ dúdú bí ó pupa.
mo yẹ ká yè ni.
Ẹ́
ọ̀dà
farabalẹ̀. Are you following me?
ṣé ń tẹ̀lé mi.
When two solid objects,
nǹkan méjì tá a lè rí gbámú báyìí.
solid, kì í ṣe gbámú, tó le.
tó le.
When two solid objects,
nǹkan méjì tó le.
when they interact at close range,
tí wọ́n bá fara kanra.
good. The resistance of movement caused by the solidness of the two objects.
ìtako kíkọjá lójú ara wọn nítorí lílẹ̀ àwọn méjèèjì.
Good. Is what you call friction.
ó ní tá à ń pè ní èdè ìbò tí wọ́n pè ní friction.
Kí la ti pè friction báyìí?
gbọ́ kí la.
Friction náà ni.
Fakínfà.
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 Fakínfà. Figagbága.
figagbága. kọ́nù ńkọ́ ọ.
má jẹ́ ìtakora.
ìtakora.
Maybe we should use ìtakora. You know, friction is something that does not allow. Listen, friction is that energy, is that thing that does not allow one solid thing to come by me and go free.
ìtàn ń pè ní friction yẹn ó jẹ́ ipá kan tí kì í gbà pé kí nǹkan méjì tó le
nǹkan kan one solid thing.
okay nǹkan kan.
If there is one solid thing,
tí nǹkan kan tó le tó bá wà.
if it tries to pass through something that is not solid,
tó bá gbìyànjú àti gba ojú nǹkan míì kọjá tóun ṣe tó le.
there is no friction.
kò sí pé mọ́ lọ.
For example,
àlàáfíà ò sí mẹ́. fún àpẹẹrẹ.
if you carry your fork
tó bá mú fọ́ọ̀kì rẹ téèyàn máa fi jẹun.
and you put it inside water,
tẹ́ ẹ wá kì í bọnú omi.
ṣé friction wà?
ṣé yóò sọ pé kó má wọlé.
one is hard,
ìkan le.
the other one is what?
ìkan ò ṣe kí ni.
soft.
ìkan ò le.
The soft one yóò gbà fún líle yẹn láti kọjá.
we allow the solid one to penetrate.
ṣé o fẹ́ kọjá ni?
you want to penetrate.
kọjá.
come now.
kò sí wàhálà.
no problem.
This friction
ipá tá a wí
is what generates heat.
òun ló máa mú kí ìgbóná kó jáde.
when two solid objects,
tí nǹkan líle méjì.
when they interact closely,
tí wọ́n bá fara kíra ní kí
the
wọ́n súnmọ́ra
friction
gan.
between them
ipá tí ń bẹ láàrin wọn
is
yẹn.
what generates heat.
òun ni ó mú pé kí nǹkan ìtó gbóná kí
You see-
ooru kó jáde.
You see,
wá
as
àti
we are
bá ti ṣe
doing
yìí
this,
gan.
let me tell you,
ẹ jẹ́ n sòdodo fún yín.
láàrin ọwọ́ méjèèjì yẹn kí ló ń
Two
ṣẹlẹ̀?
hands. kí ló ń
ó ti
ṣẹlẹ̀.
ń gbóná.
is generating heat.
When one is solid,
tí kan bá le.
when one is hard,
tí kan le.
and the other one is soft,
tí kejì tóun dẹ̀.
there is no friction.
kò ní sí pé.
There is no
ipá
heat.
kankan kò ní sí pé ooru kankan ó jáde.
This one that is solid, that is hard,
eléyìí tó le yẹn
he just passes through.
yóò kàn kọjá nínú ẹ̀ bíi pé kò gbanú nǹkan kan kọjá ni.
Those who are watching from afar,
ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń wò látọ̀ kan.
they will say this is beautiful.
ẹ wò pé ilé yìí mọ̀ lẹ́wà o.
It just
Ilé ìjà o.
passed
ó
through
kàn kọjá
easily.
láìsí ìdádúró.
If it is something soft
tó bá jẹ́ pé léyìí tí ò le tó dẹ̀ díẹ̀.
that wants to pass by something hard,
ó wáá fẹ́ gbanú tó le kọjá.
also
ìyẹn náà
there is no problem,
kò sí wàhálà.
because
torí pé kí ni.
as the soft is trying to go,
bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ò le yẹn bó ṣe ń
even
gbìyànjú
if
àti
this
kọjá.
hard one say,
bẹ́ẹ̀ tó le kókókó yẹn tó bá ṣàgbó
because the
bẹ́ẹ̀.
other one is soft,
torí pé kejì yẹn ó
What does
tẹ̀
it do?
tiẹ̀ kò lé.
he
bí ó ṣe-
flows around it
yóò kàn sàn yí ká ni.
and he will go his own way.
àwa máa bá tiẹ̀
There
lọ.
is no friction, there is no heat.
kò sí ipá kankan kò sí pé ooru kankan ó jáde nínú
Why
ẹ̀.
is there quarrel in any family?
kí nìdí tí ìjà tó fi ń jẹ jáde nínú
It is
ìdílé kankan.
because
ohun tó fà á ni pé
the hearts
ọkàn
of the two people
tàwọn èèyàn
Not
méjèèjì
one.
yẹn kì í ṣe nìkan.
How many?
mélòó? 2 méjì.
Whenever you have a problem,
tẹ́ ẹ bá ti ní wàhálà kan
whenever you have a quarrel,
tí ìjà kan bá ti bẹ́ jáde
whenever you have a disagreement that cannot
tí
be
èdè
settled,
àìyedè kan tẹ́ ẹ̀ rí parí bá ti wà
it means
ohun tó túmọ̀ sí
the
pé
two hearts,
ọkàn méjèèjì
they are what?
wọ́n ṣe kí ni o
They are hard.
wọ́n le.
So let me ask you,
jẹ̀m̀bíọ́
who causes problem inside the house?
ta ni ń fa wàhálà
Is it the husband
ṣé ọkọ ni
or the wife?
àbáyà
Eh?
mo ń bi
Dá mi lóhùn.
ẹ dáhùn
Who?
ta ni
Eh? Both.
àwọn méjèèjì ni
There will not be a problem.
kò ní í sí wàhálà.
Tí kan bá jẹ́ mi ò gbà.
when one stand no I will not agree
Tí kejì bá jẹ́ kò burú.
and the other one says no problem.
Ṣé ìjà yóò wà?
will there be quarrel?
Moses,
Mósè
when he looked at the husband,
gbà tó bá wo ọkọ
their hearts are hard.
ọkàn wọn lé.
He turned to the wife.
á wá wo ayé
Maybe if I talk to the wife,
bóyá tí n bá báyàwó
maybe
ẹ
the wife
sọ̀rọ̀
will be more reasonable.
ó yẹ òun ó tiẹ̀ àlàyé ó yẹ.
When he turned to the side of the wife,
tó bá ti wo obìnrin
he
yẹn náà
saw that the heart
á wá
of
rí
the
pé
wife also
ọkàn obìnrin yẹn náà pẹ̀lú
is what?
ó ṣe kí ni o
Very hard.
ó wá lé.
So if one is hard
tí kan bá le
and the other one is soft,
tí kejì ò le
there is a remedy.
ọ̀nà àbáyọ wà.
But when the heart of one is hard
ṣùgbọ́n tí ọkàn ìkan bá le
and the heart of the other one
ọkàn
is
ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì náà
hard,
wá lé.
there's nothing we can do about
sọgbọ́n
it.
tá a rí dá sí.
Tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ti ní gbà fúnra yín,
no you won't live together in peace.
ẹ ṣe kí ni?
do what?
Ẹ máa lọ ń lọ yín.
you can separate.
Is somebody listening to me tonight?
sẹ́nìkan gbọ́n tí mò ń sọ lálẹ́.
Every time there is a quarrel,
ìgbàkúùgbà tí ìjà bá wà
it means your heart is hard.
ó túmọ̀ sí pé ọkàn rẹ le.
Don't bother to check the heart of your spouse.
kò nílò kó o wò pé bó o lọ́kàn ẹnìkejì rẹ aya àbọ̀kọ ti rí.
Don't come to me and say it is my
bó
husband.
wàá bá mi pé ọkọ mi ló fà
It's
á.
unreasonable.
wọn ti ẹ gbálàyé.
If your husband is unreasonable,
ọkọ rẹ yìí bá gbálàyé.
your own name also is what?
títí ẹ náà
Unreasonable.
ń kọ́ gbálàyé ni.
Whenever there is a quarrel,
ìgbàkúùgbà tí
between
ìjà kankan bá
husband
ti wà
and wife,
láàrin ọkọ
it
àti
is
aya.
because
ohun tó fà
we
á
are
ni pé
two incorrigible people interacting.
a ní àwọn èèyàn méjì táwọn méjèèjì le tí wọ́n jọ ń
We are two people
èèyàn méjì.
who chose not to be godly.
wọ́n wá yàn pé àwọn ò ní jẹ́ ní ìwà bí ọlọ́run.
Every time there is a separation,
ìgbàkúùgbà tí ìyapa bá ti wà.
every time there is a putting away,
ìgbàkíìgbà tí ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ bá ti wà.
move away,
máa lọ
be doing your own.
máa bá tiẹ̀ lọ.
Let me also be doing
Èmi
my
náà
own.
máa ṣe tèmi.
I hope you know that divorce.
ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ìkọ̀sílẹ̀.
You know when they say divorce,
ìgbà tí wọ́n bá sọ wípé ìkọra ẹni sílẹ̀.
it's only the last bus stop
òun ní ibùsọ̀ tó kàn
of several small putting away.
ibùsọ̀ tó kàn nínú gbogbo kálukú ń bá tiẹ̀ lọ.
People don't just wake up one day.
àwọn èèyàn kàn jí lọ́jọ́
I say-
wọ́n pé wo
Lawyer, judge,
adájọ́,
separate us.
amòfin ọ̀ya
Kó tó
ẹ̀tú aka.
kó tó dé ojú ẹgbẹ́ wa ká.
gets to that place.
Àwọn pínra ẹni níyà díẹ̀ yóò ti máa ṣe.
separations.
Ibi tó ti ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni pé
this is where they start.
kí ló dé tó ṣe ìṣòro nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀.
why are you behaving like that.
Kí ni mo ṣe ń sìn?
so what did I do that no one else has done.
Kí la ṣe rí tójú òrìrí.
so what's new about it.
Ṣé pé n tó da yẹn ṣó dáa lójú ẹ?
you mean what you have done is good.
Kí ni.
Yeah, so what
Ẹ
is
ti dé
special
nìyẹn.
about it. so you are
Kẹ́
bringing
máa
your matter
ka
again.
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ síyàn lọ́rùn.
You be judging me.
Ṣé pé mo ka ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sí ẹ
so
lọ́rùn
you
lélẹ̀?
mean I'm judging you.
Ok, kò sí
no
problem.
no problem.
Bó o ṣe ń ṣe yẹn,
just the way you are
ó
doing.
ní kó máa ṣe kí ni? Máa ṣe
continue.
lọ.
continue.
Wàá ṣe kí ni?
you will do what.
Wàá bá ń bẹ̀.
you will meet it there.
Kí ló ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀?
what is happening.
Wọn ò tí ì dé kóòtù o.
they are here to get to the court.
Ṣé wọ́n máa ń gbèrú yẹn lọ kóòtù?
do they
No,
take
wọ́n ń
that
gbé lọ
one to
court.
court. no.
kí lọkọ yẹn á wá ṣe.
What's the husband doing?
tó o bá ti mọ tiẹ̀ ṣe.
If you know how to do your
tá a
own,
dẹ̀ lè
and we cannot
gbà ọ́ níyànjú.
we cannot
tó ti dá a lójú ẹ.
tell you the
the problem.
and you like it that way.
ohun tá a ṣe fúnrú yín.
People like
ó ṣe kí ni. ó wà.
know the next thing to do.
kí lọkọ yẹn á wá ṣe.
What would the man do?
tó bá wá sùn tó bá jí láàárọ̀.
When he sleeps and he wakes up in the morning,
tíyàwó wá ní ìyàwó tó ṣe ń tó ṣe lálẹ́
the
àná.
woman that did what she did last
ti
night,
gbàgbé.
she had
ó wá
forgotten.
jẹ́ ọkọ mi ṣé o
My
tẹ̀
husband,
rí
you see,
kíní tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú
that thing
ilé ìwé
that is
àwọn ọmọ mi yìí
happening
mo rò
in
pé ẹ̀hún tá a ṣe ni pé
children's
a lọ ohun wéje ohun wẹ́jọ.
She begins to say that.
Kí ló ọkọ
and
wí?
say this. What's the man
Nothing.
saying? Nothing. Kò sọ nǹkan kan.
ọkọ yẹn wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kọ àwọn ìwé lákọlákọ.
And the husband begins to write. He was busy writing. Okay. This one.
nígbà tí ìyàwó bá ti ṣe dírámà tó lọ sí ó rò pé ìyá ọkọ òun gbọ̀n lọ́wọ́ ayé orí padà lórí tí ọkọ ń kọ ìwé tí ò sí ń bì kankan tó ń kọ.
Nothing.
wọ́n ní bàbá Ṣẹ́gun
Daddy Ṣẹ́gun.
ẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ mí di rédíò àgbọ̀n sọ̀rọ̀ máa
to
ti.
you. Am I a radio?
ẹ̀dẹ̀ dá sí tí mò ń sọ.
You have not contributed to what
kí
I'm
lọkọ
saying.
ṣe.
What is he doing? He's busy writing. Busy writing. He keeps writing and writing.
kí ló wá dé sí.
But what
and
am
we
I
talk to you again.
doing?
you will not talk.
Sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀.
what did the man do.
Kí ni máa yẹn ṣe? Ó sà ń kọ̀wé tán.
when he finish writing.
Gbà tó wá kọtí kọtí.
Close it.
Ó pàdé.
put it under it.
A fi iṣẹ́ abẹ́ ibì kan.
he took his shirt.
Ó má ṣọ ẹ̀wọ̀.
bàbá Ṣẹ́gun
Daddy Ṣẹ́gun.
ìjà ni
What?
ó dídí o ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ni o kò ṣe kí ni.
Whatever she
kò
says,
dáhùn
no response.
ń gbò wọ ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ tán.
After putting on his shirt,
ọba mú kọ́kọ́rọ́ mọ́tò.
takes his car key.
ṣé wàá ń bá mi jà ni.
Are you now fighting
ṣé
me?
nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ kékeré tá a ṣe
Is
lánàá
it
yẹn
because
náà
of what
Òun náà
happened
la ṣe wá.
yesterday? Is that the reason why?
ajá ni o
Ó kún ni.
ẹran
Ó fà
ni o kò ṣe kí ni.
Kò ṣe kí ni.
kò dáhùn kí ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn.
What has happened? What has happened?
ṣé ó mú lọ kóòtù.
Did he take her to court?
the King James Bible calls it putting away.
Ẹ̀ẹ́dá ní ìkọra ẹni sílẹ̀.
putting away.
Takété síra
he
ẹni.
has not yet divorced.
Kò tí ì kọ́lẹ̀ pé máa
he
lọ
just
lé yín
put away.
o. Ó kàn takété sí
be doing your own.
Máa dà ṣe.
let me also be doing my
Èmi náà
own.
mọ̀ ṣe tèmi.
tabatila bá ọ sọ̀rọ̀ tó ọ̀ ní gbọ́.
If we want to
máa
talk
ṣe
to
tiẹ̀
you
lọ
and you are
máa
not
ṣe
ready
ń
to
ṣò.
listen, go ahead now.
tó bá padà dé lẹ́yìn wákàtí mẹ́rin.
When he comes back after 4 hours.
ìyàwó ti lọ ṣe kókó
And the
ó ti
woman has
gbóúnjẹ
gone
sórí
here and
ó ti ṣe kíni
there,
o.
prepared food, put it on the table.
ẹ káàbọ̀
Welcome, daddy.
oúnjẹ yín ti wà lórí
Your
tébù.
food is on the table.
ebi ò pa mí.
I'm not hungry.
oúnjẹ tẹ mà láìkì ni mo ṣe fún yín.
I prepared a very good food that you like.
Jagunlabi ti jẹun ń ta
The other guy,
kó tó ṣe kíni
he had eaten
kó tó
outside
délé.
before
so
coming in.
ọ̀rọ̀ pé ọ ṣojú mẹ̀yẹ̀mẹ̀yẹ̀ ń wà á rí oúnjẹ tó ṣe
I will see
yóò máa
that
mú.
food. That will be.
Ó ti jẹun.
He has eaten.
nígbà tó wọlé tán tó
After
jókòó
he
after 2
sits
hours
down,
ó
2
fẹ́
hours,
jáde.
He wants to go out again.
ń bò lẹ́ ń lọ.
Where are you going again?
ibì kan.
Somewhere.
ńgbà wo lẹ́ dé.
When will you come back?
later.
No, baya.
kí ni kí n wá ṣe fún yín nígbà tẹ́ ẹ̀ jẹ oúnjẹ ọ̀sán sìn.
What should I do for you now that you have refused your lunch?
anything.
Ntọ́ bá wù yẹn sí.
àwọn ansa yẹn báwo náà ṣe máa ń rí.
Bóò ni.
sharp short. wọ́n ti
Ọ̀rọ̀
wọ
ọ̀rọ̀
what I
kọ̀ọ̀kan
call
ni.
short wave communication.
Ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan.
Short wave.
Ọ̀rọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan gbólóhùn
ẹ mọ àwọn rédíò short wave short.
Pápápá wọ́n rọra gé kúkúkú ni ó ti tán.
this can be going on for 3 days.
Eléyìí lè máa lọ láàrin ijọ́ mẹ́ta o.
bóyá ńgbà tóbìnrin yẹn bá jókòó tó bá wárí kí ni kóun ṣe
When
fọ́ọ̀bù
that
tó máa fi
that
rójú mi.
woman now sits down say what should I do for this
bóyá tó
man?
bá dalẹ̀.
Maybe at night.
lọ́wọ́ ni my
you
dear
You see,
my dear
dear,
my dear my dear
dear.
ọwọ́ sùn lé láyà.
and he sleeps on his
fi
chest.
mi sílẹ̀. nígbà
Leave me,
tó
leave me.
tábẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ tó ló
When we talk to you and you refuse to answer.
kí ló lè tó yẹn náà.
Olólùfẹ́ mi.
nígbà tára bọ̀dá dẹ̀ ti wà lọ́nà
And the other man is,
kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀
what happens?
wọ́n parí ẹ̀
They finish that one.
episode yẹn ti ṣe kí ni ó parí.
That's the end of that
they
scene.
can go for another 3 weeks.
Another 3 weeks.
then the woman will do it. ẹ o tún ti dé sí
Ẹ̀hẹ́.
this is what you did the
You
other
are
time.
coming back.
let me tell you
Let me jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ.
every time there is a quarrel
Ìgbàkúùgbà tí ìjà
and
bá ti
there
wà,
is a putting away
tí ìtakété síra ẹni bá
you
wá
are
ti wà,
beginning to walk on the road to eventual divorce.
ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í rìn lójú ọ̀nà tó lọ sínú ìkọra ẹni sílẹ̀.
and there is nothing responsible for it.
Kò sì sí nǹkan kan míì tó fà á.
it is not because the woman is hard.
Kì í ṣe pé obìnrin yẹn ló le jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ
it
o.
is because you are hard.
Ìdí ni pé ìwọ gan fúnra ẹ àyà rẹ le.
it's not because the man is
Kì í
hard.
ṣe pákùnrin yẹn náà ló wá le tó
it
bá
is
yẹn.
because you are
Ohun
hard.
tó fà ni pé àyà
Jesus
tiẹ̀ gan
said,
ni. Jésù wípé
what happened
ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
is that it is the hardness
Ó
of
ní
heart.
pé líle àyà yìí.
let me tell you
Jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ.
hardness of heart
Ilé àyà.
is the breakdown of every relationship.
Òun ni í máa ń mú gbogbo ìbáṣepọ̀ kó wó gbádànù.
if there are two friendships
Tí ọ̀rẹ́ méjì bá wà,
if one is hard
tí kan bá
the
le,
other one is soft
tí kan rọ̀,
their relationship can last for long.
ìbáṣepọ̀ wọn máa lọ ni.
if the two of them are soft
Ká méjèèjì
their
bá rọ̀,
relationship can last for
ìbáṣepọ̀
years.
wọn á máa lọ ni.
but if one is hard
Lọ́tí kan le,
and the other one is hard
ìbejì náà le.
their relationship is short-lived.
Ìbáṣepọ̀ wọn
the
kò lè
thing
pẹ́.
that breaks down every relationship
Ohun tó máa ń mú kí gbogbo ìbáṣepọ̀ wó gbá.
whether it's friendship
Bóyá ti tọ̀rẹ́ ni o,
whether it's courtship
bóyá ti ti
whether
wọléwọ̀de
it's
ìgbéyàwó ni o,
what other ship do
Nítorí-
people enter together partnership
bóyá ti ìbáraẹniṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ ni o,
fellowship.
bóyá ti ìjára
what
sí ara
makes
ni.
people come down from the ship
Ohun tó máa mú káwọn èèyàn ó sọ̀kalẹ̀ pé
is
ìlọmọsẹ̀
hardness of
ó
heart.
ní líle àyà.
is somebody listening to me.
Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi
I
lálẹ́?
discovered also
Èmi náà tún
that this is the genesis of breakdown of
eléyìí
relationship.
gan ni ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ìwúgbà gbogbo
A
ìbáraẹniṣepọ̀.
relationship between God and man.
Ìbéra ẹni ṣepọ̀ láàrin Ọlọ́run àti
It's
èèyàn.
hardness of heart.
Ó ní líle àyà.
Is somebody listening to me here?
Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi lálẹ́ yìí?
It's been many years that you and God related together.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún ni ìwọ àtọlọ́run lẹ ti ń bára yín ṣepọ̀ lọ.
Your fellowship has become dry.
Ìbániṣepọ̀ wo àtọlọ́run ó ti gbẹ.
God seems very far away.
Tàbí pọ́lọ́run jìnnà rere.
There is only one thing that is causing it.
Ilé kan bẹ tó ń fà á sí.
You are hard.
Ó ní pé
You are
òun lè láyà.
hard-hearted.
Ẹ
Your
le.
heart cannot be bent.
Ọkàn rẹ ò ṣe é kò ṣe é
Your
wọ̀.
heart cannot be made soft.
Ọkàn rẹ kò ṣe é ṣèrọ̀.
You cannot yield.
O ò lè fara dà mọ́ ká fà ó sí
This is
fà ó sàn.
what caused problem for the prodigal son.
Ohun tó fa ìyọnu fún ọmọ onínàkúnà yẹn nìyẹn.
I hope you are hearing me.
Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi o?
The problem of the prodigal son
Wàhálà ọmọ onínàkúnà
is
yẹn.
not that all the
Kì í ṣe
things
pé-
that man kà sí lẹ́sẹ̀ they are very small things.
Gbogbo àwọn tá a máa ń sọ nípa rẹ̀ dá sọ.
Ó gbowó bàbá rẹ̀, ó lọ ná nínàkúnà.
Father's money is spent it anyhow.
It's a sin. I agree.
Kò dáa.
But it's
Mo
a
mọ̀.
small thing.
But those
Ó
ones
lọ
are
bá
small.
àwọn aṣẹ́wó lò
He
pọ̀.
went to
It's
their
a
Lord's
sin.
houses. Yes.
But it's
Ẹsẹ̀
small.
ní kékeré nìyí.
He went away from his father.
Ó lọ kúrò lọ́dọ̀ bàbá
It's a
ẹ̀.
sin.
Ẹsẹ̀ ní
I know.
mo mọ̀.
But it's a small thing.
Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan
Do you
kékeré.
know ohun tó fìyà jẹ ọmọ
Do you know
onínàkúnà
what made that prodigal son to suffer?
is the hardness of heart.
Ó ní líle àyà rẹ̀.
Nígbà tó wó tán lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀,
When he finished up his money,
everything finished.
he spent everything.
Tó bá jẹ́ ẹni tó rí ẹ̀ tó rọ̀ lọ́kàn,
If he was a soft-hearted person,
ó yẹ kó ti gbọ̀nà lé.
he should have returned home.
But what did the prodigal son do?
Kí ló ṣe o?
He said,
Ó wá wípé
it is because I broke relationship with my
torí
father.
wípé èmi àti bàbá mi àtúká,
Mi dẹ̀ ní padà sọ́dọ̀
and I
rẹ̀.
will not go back to him.
Màá lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹlòmíì.
I will go back to another person.
Is somebody listening to me?
ẹ ń gbọ́ mi bí.
The Bible says
bíbélì wípé
he joined himself
ó wá dára rẹ̀ pọ̀
to
mọ́
a citizen of that country.
ọlọ́tọ̀ ilẹ̀ náà.
He knew
ó mọ̀ ọ́.
that his problem is a problem of relationship.
wàhálà òun ni wàhálà ìbáṣepọ̀.
When I was in relationship with my father,
tèmi àti bàbá mi tí
Things were
ìbáṣepọ̀ wá
going on
dánmọ́
well.
nìkan lọ dáadáa.
when I was in when I was at home,
ìgbà tí mo wà lé.
when everything was good
tí
between me and my father,
láàrin èmi àti
if
dádì.
something finishes,
tí nǹkan kan bá tán.
I just go back to my
kàn padà lọ
father.
ọ̀dọ̀
I
daddy.
can't go back to him
mi ò
now
lè padà lọ ọ̀dọ̀
because
bàbá.
I have
torí
separated
pé
myself.
mo ti ta kété sí i.
Something now says, go back to your father now.
padà lọ ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá rẹ̀.
Go back to your father.
bá
Go
bàbá
and
rẹ̀.
he said, ìní lọ.
I will not go.
ìní lọ.
I will not go.
ìní lọ.
I will not go.
Why did he also do like that to
Kí
you?
làwọn náà fi ṣe?
I will not go.
Ìní lọ.
So but if it is a matter of
tó
relationship,
bá jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ìbáṣepọ̀
I
rẹ̀
will not go back to that
mi ò lè
relationship.
padà lọ sínú
I
ìbáṣepọ̀
will
rẹ̀.
rather go to another
lọ́ọ̀yà lọ
relationship.
sọ́dọ̀
I will go and
ìbáṣepọ̀
form
mi.
another
Màá
relationship.
lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀
I will go
ìbáṣepọ̀
and
mi.
meet somebody else.
Màá lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lómi.
If he is thinking
tó bá ń ronú
that I'm going to come back
pé màá padà
and
wálé.
come and be begging
Kí
him,
wá máa bẹ̀.
he's only making a mistake.
irọ́ ni o.
Ẹ jọ kí ló ń sọ̀rọ̀?
what is stop
Líle àyà.
hardness of heart.
Somebody is hearing my voice tonight.
ẹnìkan ń gbóhùn mi láṣálẹ̀.
You are moved away from God.
ó ti ta kété sí
You have
ọlọ́run.
gone very far.
ó ti rìn jìnnà
You have
réré.
begun to enter into sins.
ó ti fẹ́ wọnú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀.
Sin is not the problem.
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yìí ṣe yọnu.
What is the problem?
kí ni ìyọnu
It's
yẹn.
the hardness of your heart.
líle ọkàn
It's
rẹ.
your unwillingness to go back to God.
àìfẹ́ inú ẹ láti padà lọ
That's the
Ọlọ́run.
problem.
wàhálà bẹ̀
If you go back to Him today,
Tó bá padà lọ
if
ọ̀dọ̀
you
ẹ̀
say,
lónìí,
Father,
á sọ pé,
I
Bàbá,
have sinned before
ó
heaven
ti ṣẹ̀ níwájú
and I have
ọ̀run
sinned before
àti
you,
níwájú rẹ.
your wilderness journey will finish.
ìrìn àjò agéjù rẹ yóò tán ni.
Things have become hard for you.
nǹkan ti le
Things
kókó
have
fún ọ.
become difficult.
nǹkan ti nira.
Business is breaking down. You say,
ìbáṣepọ̀ yín là ń wó pẹ̀lú
I will not go back to church.
ìní lọ
I will
sẹ́.
not go back to church.
Èmi ò
They
ní
think
padà lọ
it is
ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì.
because of the. I
Wọ́n rò pé torí pé kí ni
will
ni.
make it. I will make it without God.
èmi fúnra mi mo tó tán láìsí ọlọ́run níbẹ̀.
I will make it without that pastor.
láìsí olùṣọ́ àgùntàn yẹn mo ti tójú òṣùwọ̀n
I
fúnra
will
mi.
make it without my husband.
láìsí ọkọ mi bẹ́ẹ̀.
I will make it
mo ti
without
tó
my
fúnra
wife.
mi láìsáyà mi
Ẹ
bẹ́ẹ̀ mo
jọ
tó
kí ló ń
fúnra mi.
sọ̀rọ̀?
what is talking.
Líle àyà.
hardness of heart.
Líle àyà dẹ̀ máa ń mú yà
hardness
jẹ̀yàn
of
ní.
heart can make a man to suffer.
He makes a man to enter the wilderness.
a máa mú èèyàn
He
bọ́
makes
sínú
you to go
aginjù.
farther and farther away into
a máa mú
suffering.
èèyàn jìnnà lọ sínú
Tonight.
ìjìyà lálẹ́.
Why is that marriage breaking down?
kí ni ìdí tí ìgbéyàwó yẹn fi
It's
ń
because
bá
you are
lọ.
saying, and I will not return to my husband.
ìsì ní padà lọ́dọ̀
And I will not return to my wife.
padà lọ́dọ̀
If
ìyàwó
he is
mi.
thinking
Èrò
that I
pé
will not succeed
mi ní
because I
ṣàṣeyọrí
didn't,
torí pé èmi rẹ̀ ò sí.
ojú rẹ̀ ni ó ṣe.
he will see by
Ẹjọ́ ta
himself.
ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn?
what is talking.
Líle àyà.
hardness of heart.
Líle àyà.
hardness of heart.
God brought you here tonight.
ọlọ́run mọ̀ wá síbí
Tó
lálẹ́.
ṣe pé àyà rẹ tó le yẹn
that hard heart.
yóò fìyà jẹ
will
ẹ́.
only punish you.
Àyà rẹ tó le yẹn
that hard heart.
yóò fikú pa ẹ́.
only kill you.
Àyà rẹ tó le yẹn
that hard heart.
will not allow you to enjoy the good of the
kò
land.
ní jẹ́ kó o gbádùn ilé
If
ilẹ̀
there is
náà.
somebody here
tí
tonight
ẹnìkan bá bẹ́ẹ̀ bí
who
lálẹ́.
wants something to soften for him,
tó fẹ́ kí nǹkan dẹjú fóun.
that person has to soften by himself
ẹnìyẹn fúnra ẹ̀ gan gbọ́dọ̀ dẹ̀.
and say sorry,
ah
I will go back.
bá padà lọ.
When the boy came to his
ìgbà
senses,
tí ojú ọmọkùnrin yẹn wálẹ̀.
ìyà ò tí ì dojú ìyà ni.
it is when you have not suffered o.
That's when your heart is hard.
that's ìgbà
I will
yẹn
not
àyà rí ó le
in the nila. I will not settle with my husband. I will not settle with my wife. Whatever.
èmi àti ẹ̀ ò lè tó jọ jókòó
Because he thinks
tó ń gbé rò pé
ẹni tí ò lọ́kọ́ ń gbáyé.
pé if I don't have husband I can leave now.
Àwọn ìwọ̀sí ẹni tí ò lọ́kọ́ á sì máa bẹ́ẹ̀ gbáyé.
and the troubles of a
Ẹni tí ò láyà ń gbáyé.
stay with
Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ìyà tí máa jẹrú wọn yóò mọ
And the
jẹ́ sí.
sufferings of
Kì í
the
ṣe pé
single father
ẹjọ́ kì í
will
ṣe pé
attend to you.
kì í
It's
ṣe
not
pé
the cause.
ẹni tó bá ti ní àyà líle.
if your heart
Tó
is
bá kọ̀
hard
wípé òun ò ní
and you
òun ò ní
have
rọra.
refused to be softened.
Òun ò ní rọra.
you have
Òun ò
refused
ní
to
rẹ̀lẹ̀.
soften.
Òun ò ní túbà.
no you will not apologize.
They suffer.
wọ́n máa ń jìyà.
They continue to suffer.
ìyà yìí dè máa ń
And they
jẹ
will
wọ́n.
eventually die. Tonight,
wọ́n á sì wá kú.
God said, I should
Lálẹ́.
give you an opportunity.
ọlọ́run ní kí n fún ọ láǹfààní yẹn.
Two things I am asking tonight.
nǹkan méjì ni mo
There
fẹ́
are
lálẹ́.
some people that have a problem with God.
àwọn èèyàn kan bẹ wọ́n ní wàhálà pẹ̀lú ọlọ́run.
They have not settled with God.
wọn àti ìbọn ọlọ́run
They are
yanjú
still
ẹ̀.
shaking their head.
wọ́n tún mírí.
God said, I am on the balcony.
ọlọ́run ní wo mo wà ń tòsí o mo wà wájú
I am waiting for you.
mo dúró de ọ o.
If I just see you take a step to come home,
tí n bá rí ọ tó gbégbèsè pé.
all your
fẹ́
sins
wálé,
may not mean
gbogbo
anything.
ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ ò ní nítumọ̀ sí mi mọ́.
That you spend my money anyhow will not mean
ẹ o
anything.
náwó mi bó ṣe wù ẹ́.
You slept with harlot will not mean
o
anything.
bá aṣẹ́wó sùn. ìyẹn ò ní
An
jẹ́.
embrace is
mo
waiting for
kàn
you.
gbà ọ́ mọ́ra ni.
I will forgive you.
mo dárí
I
jì
will
ọ́.
start a relationship
mo
with you.
bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìbáṣepọ̀
I am
tuntun pẹ̀lú
waiting
rẹ.
for you.
mo dúró de ọ.
That's the first set of people.
àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn.
But the second set of people are there.
ìpín ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì àwọn
You and
ènìyàn.
your husband, you are quarreling.
ìwọ àtayá
You and your
àkọ́kọ́ ẹ.
wife, you are quarreling.
Ẹja.
And the two of them are shaking your head like
Méjèèjì
this.
sì mí
I will
pé
not go
rárá,
back.
mi ò ní gbà.
I will not be
Mi ò
the
ní
first
gbà.
to say sorry.
èmi kọ́ màá kọ́ gbé kọ́ mọ́ bínú.
I will not be the one that will say sorry.
èmi wá ni màá
I'm
bẹ̀.
the one that always saying
èmi
sorry.
ni mo mọ́ sábà bẹ̀.
I was soft before.
mo ti rò
But my
tẹ́lẹ̀.
heart too has become what?
ọkàn tèmi náà
Hard.
báyìí o ti le báyìí.
If there are those two sets
tó
of
bá jẹ́
people
pé irú
tonight,
àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ wà.
God is saying,
ọlọ́run
I can make that relationship sweet
mo lè
again.
mú kí ìbáṣepọ̀ yẹn kó tó dùn.
You have enjoyed it before.
o ti gbádùn ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀.
You can enjoy it
o
again.
tún lè gbádùn ẹ̀.
The way your husband used to dance around you before he
ọkọ rẹ
married you.
ṣe máa ń rọ̀gbà yí ọká tó máa ń jó
Or
yẹ ká kó tó
just
fẹ́ ọ wọlé.
after you are married,
tàbí lẹ́yìn ìgbà
you are
fẹ́ra
wearing
wọlé
the same
tán,
dress everywhere.
aṣọ kan náà lẹ máa ń wọ̀
you can
nínú.
return to
o
it.
lè padà
I can
síbẹ̀.
make all things new.
mo lè sọ
But the
gbogbo
first
di
step
ọ̀tún. ìgbésẹ̀
Is this
àkọ́kọ́.
hardness of
ó
heart?
ní líle
It must
àyà
finish tonight.
ó gbọ́dọ̀ parí láti.
If there is somebody here tonight
Tẹ́nìkan bá
who
fẹ́
say
bí
Lord
lásàlẹ̀ pé
it's okay.
olúwa
Ah,
ó dà
ìjà
ó
tó
tó
mi ìjà sú mi.
I'm okay with this quarreling. I don't want it again.
Lord,
Lord
I'm tired of
ó ti
suffering.
sú mi o.
I am married as if I am not married.
mo ti gbéyàwó mo ti
I'm
lọ́kọ
not
bí ẹni pé
enjoying
mi ò
the
wá nílé.
dividends of marriage.
mi ò máa jẹ̀gbádùn àwọn àǹfààní tí mẹ́nu gbéyàwó.
I've been married for 10 years.
ọdún mẹ́wàá
15
sẹ́yìn
years.
ọdún mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún
Things are difficult.
nǹkan wá lé koko
I see
báyìí.
other wives.
mo ra àwọn
I
aya
see
yòókù
other
mo
husbands.
ra àwọn ọkọ
They're
yòókù
enjoying themselves.
wọ́n gbádùn ara wọn.
I used to think pé mo ṣorí ibú ni.
mo máa ń wò pé àbí nǹkan burúkú rọ́ọ̀lù mi.
I was just unfortunate.
Ah, oh,
Irú ìyàwó tí mo fẹ́ ni. Irú ìyàwó tó fẹ́ kọ́. Kí ni wàhálà bẹ̀?
What's the
Àyà
problem?
líle.
Hardness.
If you come to God tonight
tó o bá tọ̀ Ọlọ́run wá lálẹ́.
and say Lord Jesus,
ṣé Jésù Olúwa.
I am willing to be the soft one.
mo ń fẹ́ láti jẹ́ni tí ó rọ̀.
I'm willing to be the one that we Yorùbá ló dùn èmi ni màá ṣe kí ni màá máa gbà.
mo fẹ́ jẹ́ the person that will be on the receiving end.
Good. I'm willing to accept.
mo ṣe tán mo máa gba gbogbo ẹ̀.
Ìjà yìí àṣekínni àtọ̀nlẹ̀.
this trouble will go.
Tonight I want us to pray.
lálẹ́ mo fẹ́ ká gbàgbọ́.
Bow down your heads with me and let us
ẹ̀wù
pray.
rẹ̀ bá pẹ̀lú mi kó jẹ́
God
àgbàdúrà.
is calling you on those two counts.
Ọlọ́run ń pè ọ́.
Which one of you will soften first?
wo nínú yín ni ó kọ́kọ́ jẹ́.
Which one will drop the hardness of heart?
ta ni ó kọ́kọ́ fi líle àyà yìí lẹ̀.
Don't wait for your husband.
má dúró dọ́kọ ẹ̀.
Don't wait for your wife.
má dúró da ya ẹ̀.
God is saying, it is you.
pé ìwọ gan.
It is you.
ìwọ gangan.
It is you.
Ìwọ gangan.
If you soften,
Tó o
if
bá
you
jẹ̀wọ̀.
drop the hardness of heart,
tó o bá fi líle àyà lẹ̀.
something will happen tonight.
nǹkan kò ṣẹlẹ̀ lálẹ́.
Something good will happen tonight.
nǹkan tó dáa fẹ́
A
ṣẹlẹ̀ lálẹ́.
restoration will take. Even if your wife does not drop,
ìmúpadàbọ̀ sípò yóò ṣẹlẹ̀ lálẹ́.
even if your wife does not drop her own hardness of heart,
kódà kí aya rẹ sọ pé òun ò ní fi líle àyà tòun lẹ̀.
if you drop your own,
tí wọ́n bá fi
I will work a miracle. I would like to pray with you
mo
tonight.
fẹ́ gbàdúrà fúnrú àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀.
Please, nobody should move again. Please stay where you are. It's just a few minutes. We are going to go tonight.
láìpẹ́ jọjọ.
Anywhere you are,
ibikíbi tó bá wà.
and you are saying yes,
tó
Lord,
sì ń sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀
I'm ready to drop this hardness of
mo
heart.
ṣetán láti fi líle àyà yìí lẹ̀.
Àti dé ìkórìtà divorce,
we are not yet there at the junction of divorce.
but putting away thing ó ti ń
ṣùgbọ́n
sọ
ìtakété síra ẹni ó ti
is
bẹ̀rẹ̀.
already spoiling our
ó ti
relationship.
ń ba ìbáṣepọ̀ wa jẹ́.
Lord Jesus,
Jésù
will you
Olúwa
help us tonight?
yóò lè ràn án lọ́wọ́ lálẹ́ yìí.
That's the first group of people.
ìpín àwọn èèyàn àkọ́kọ́
The second group of people.
ìpín
You
ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì.
can belong to the two
ó lè
categories.
jẹ́ pé inú
You are
ìpín
saying
méjèèjì ló wà.
I've been strong-headed
ọ̀rọ̀ mi le
with God.
alágídí
That's why
pẹ̀lú
relationship has
Ọlọ́run.
come down. I'm not
nìyẹn.
enjoying God the way I get.
Ìgbádùn Ọlọ́run mo ṣe ń
Tonight,
gbádùn ẹ̀ mọ́.
I'm ready to surrender
Lálẹ́
everything.
mo ṣetán àti
I'm
padà
ready
tọ́
to
wa.
surrender this
Mo
hardness of
ṣetán
heart.
àti ju gbogbo
God
ilé
said,
àyà
I
yìí lẹ̀.
will turn your situation around.
Ọlọ́run sọ pé mo
I
yí
will
ipò rẹ
change
padà.
you.
Mo yí ọ
God
padà.
bless you. Wherever you are,
Bíkíbi tó o bá wà.
I want you to raise your hand
Mo
to
fẹ́
God
kó
and
o
say,
lọ́wọ́ rẹ
Lord, I am the
sókè.
one. Raise that
Olúwa, èmi ni
hand and
èmi
say,
náà
I'm
lọ bá
ready
wí.
to surrender tonight.
Mo ṣetán
I'm
lálẹ́
ready
láti
to
ju gbogbo ẹ̀
surrender to
lẹ̀.
you tonight.
Jésù mo ṣetán gbogbo
Whether
ẹ̀
you belong to
lẹ̀.
the first
Bóyá
category
ìpín àkọ́kọ́ ló
or
wà
you
o.
belong to the second
Àbí ti
category,
ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì o.
God says, I'm waiting for you.
Ọlọ́run sọ pé òun ń
Thank
dúró
you,
dè
God
ọ́.
bless you. Just
Mo
raise
ṣe
that
Ọlọ́run á bùkún fún
hand.
ẹ.
Raise that hand
Nawọ́
wherever
yẹn
you are.
sókè, sókè.
I choose tonight
Olúwa lálẹ́ mo
to
yàn
drop the hardness of
láti
heart.
fi líle àyà
I
lẹ̀.
choose
Mo
tonight
yàn lálẹ́
to drop this
Láti fi-
friction.
láti fi ipá
This
tí ò
that
jẹ́
is-
kí
this thing that
ìbáṣepọ̀
is
yóò
generating
dán mọ́rán.
it.
Tí ń
Thank you,
kí
God bless you. Anyway,
omi gbóná ó
I
jáde.
don't know whether my husband agrees,
Bọ́yọ̀ kan ni ọ́.
whether he decides or
Bọ́yọ̀
not.
kan rẹ fẹ́ àbúkọ́
Tonight,
lálẹ́.
I have decided.
Èmi ti pinnu
Even if it's a relationship between you and God,
kódà kó ṣe ìbáṣepọ̀ láàrin ìwọ àtọ́lọ́run.
Raise your hand.
Nawọ́ rẹ sókè.
wherever you are. Thank you, God
Níbikíbi
bless
tó
you.
bá
I
wà,
see
Ọlọ́run á
hands
bùkún
raised
fún yín.
everywhere.
Lórí tẹ nawọ́ yẹn.
Let me say it one more
Jẹ́
time.
ń sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan
You
sí.
cannot produce godly seed
O ò lè mú irú ọmọ bíi ti Ọlọ́run jáde.
when you yourself are not godly.
Nígbà tí wo gangan.
When there is a
tí ò
separation
síwájú
between you
Ọlọ́run.
and God,
Nígbà tó ti ta
you
kété
cannot
sọ́lọ́run.
produce godly
O ò
seed.
lè múrú ọmọ bíi ti Ọlọ́run
When you
jáde.
and your wife are
Nígbà
separated,
tí wo àtayà rẹ tẹ́
when
ti
you
ta
are
kété.
quarreling, you are
Ẹ sì jà
fighting,
tẹ́ jà.
it is not yet divorce.
Kì í ṣe ìkọra ẹni sílẹ̀ o.
Oh, but it has little putting away.
Ìtakété síra ẹni ti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
I want something to happen.
Mo fẹ́
God
kí
bless you.
Ọlọ́run
All those who
á
raise
bùkún.
their hand,
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ
can
náwó
I
yẹn.
ask you to stand up on your
Jẹ́
feet
mo lè sọ pé
wherever
ká ẹ
you
dìde lórí ẹsẹ̀
just
yín.
stand
Ẹ bá wà, ẹ
up.
dìde
Stand
lórí
up.
ẹsẹ̀ yín.
Whether you are
Dìde.
beside your husband and your wife is not
Bọ́yọ̀
standing,
ọkọ
that's
rẹ
not
wà
a
lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́
problem.
àbí òsì ń bẹ̀.
Stand up. If
Ìyàwó ẹ
your
wà
husband
lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́
is
àbí
not
òsì ń
standing
bẹ̀.
up, don't worry.
Dìde dúró.
Thank you, God bless
Bọ́yọ̀
you.
ọkọ rẹ dìde
Any
dúró àbí
other
ò
person,
dìde.
thank
Wọ́sá
you.
dìde.
Thank you. All of you who raise your hand, can you stand to your feet?
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ náwó yẹn.
If you
dìde
didn't
lórí
raise
ẹsẹ̀
it
yín.
before,
Tó o bá nà tẹ́lẹ̀.
but you are saying yes,
Tó o
Lord.
sọ pé Olúwa.
Tonight,
lálẹ́
tonight, something must change within me.
Nǹkan gbọ́dọ̀ yí padà
Take a
nínú
step.
mi.
Take a
Gbé
step.
ìgbésẹ̀,
Come
gbé
and
ìgbésẹ̀.
join me here
Máa
now.
bọ̀ níwájú.
Just come to the front.
Máa
Even
bọ̀
if you are
níwájú.
carrying your baby, don't worry. Come with it.
Máa bọ̀, máa
God
bọ̀.
bless you.
Máa bọ̀, ẹ̀yin tẹ́-
Step out and
Láì
come.
pẹ́ gbọ́mọ lọ́wọ́.
Just
ẹ máa
come
bọ̀.
and say, I have
Ẹ
decided.
máa bọ̀ pé mo ti pinnu.
This hardness of heart must finish tonight.
Líle àyà yìí gbọ́dọ̀ pinnu
Whether your
lálẹ́.
husband is standing or is not standing, it doesn't
Bọ́yọ̀ ọkọ
matter.
ẹ dìde dúró àbí ò dìde dúró.
You are
ìwọ
saying
sábà.
tonight,
Wọ́n sọ pé
I want to
lálẹ́.
reconcile with God.
Mo fẹ́ bá Ọlọ́run
Tonight,
Èmi
we
àtọ́lọ́run
must
ni.
settle this matter.
Èmi àtọ́lọ́run gbọ́dọ̀ yẹn
Tonight,
kìkìnì lálẹ́.
I'm going to settle with my husband.
Màá bá ọkọ mi yẹn
Tonight,
kìkìnì lálẹ́.
I want to settle with my wife.
Mo fẹ́ bá aya mi
I
parí.
challenge you in the name of the
Mo
Lord.
pè ọ́ nígbà
Stand up
lórúkọ
and
Olúwa.
come.
Dìde máa bọ̀.
So that suffering will not
Ìyà
continue
yìí
with
ò
you.
ní tẹ̀síwájú.
So that you will not continue to walk in the
Ò
wilderness.
ní tẹ̀síwájú láti máa rìn lájú.
So that things will not continue to be hard for you.
Nǹkan ò ní máa le koko fún ọ.
Things are hard for you
Nǹkan le fún ọ.
because you are hard-hearted.
Torí wípé ọkàn rẹ le.
Stand up wherever you are
Dìde níbikíbi tó
and
bá wà.
come and join us
Máa bọ̀
now.
wá síwájú wá
God is
darapọ̀ mọ́
waiting
wa.
for you.
Ọlọ́run ń dúró.
Don't say I will do it, I will change
Wọ́n
later.
sọ pé àyè mímọ̀ báyà
Come tonight. Come to Jesus. I believe there's somebody God is
Mo
waiting
mọ̀
for.
pé Ọlọ́run ń dúró de
I will
ẹnìkan.
wait for you one few more
Màá
seconds.
dúró de ọ díẹ̀
Stand up
sí.
wherever you are.
Dìde níbi tó o bá wà.
You are struggling in your heart.
Ó ń
Should I go?
gbìyànjú. Kíní
He's
kan
the
sọ fún
one.
ọ yín sọ pé ṣé kí
He's
n
the
lọ
one.
ṣé kí n má lọ.
He's the one that is causing it.
Onífà.
He's the one.
Onímọ̀
He's the
fà.
one.
Onímọ̀ fà.
Every time.
Gbogbo
I'm the
ìgbà.
one that's always soft.
Èmi ni mo máa ń
And you
jẹ̀rọ̀.
always say sorry.
Èmi ni mo máa ń
I will
bẹ̀.
not do.
Èmi ò gbà mọ́.
No, God is begging you.
Ọlọ́run
Thank you.
bẹ̀
God
ọ́.
bless you. Stand up and come.
Dìde máa bọ̀.
Stand up. Come
Máa bọ̀ wá
and join
síwájú
us.
mi. Wá
A
darapọ̀
miracle
mọ́ wa.
is going to happen in your
Ìyanu máa
marriage.
ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú
Thank you, ma.
ìdílé ẹ̀.
Thank you, ma. God bless you. Please
Ọlọ́run á
come.
bùkún fún ọ. Máa bọ̀.
God
Máa
is
bọ̀.
waiting for you. He say,
Ọlọ́run
I
dúró
stand
dè ọ́.
at the door of your
Ó ní mo
heart.
dúró lẹ́nu ilẹ̀kùn
I am
ọkàn
knocking.
rẹ.
If
Ó
any man
kànlẹ̀kùn.
hears my
Ó ní
voice
bí ẹnikẹ́ni bá
and
gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀
opens the
mi
door,
tó sì
he say, I
ṣílẹ̀kùn.
will come
Ó
in.
lè mi ó wọlé.
I'm going to enter into that situation.
Mo sì wọnú
I'm
ipò
going to
yẹn lọ.
enter into your heart.
Màá wọnú ọkàn
I'm going
yẹn
to
lọ.
enter into your family.
Màá wọnú
I'm
ìdílé
going
yẹn
to
lọ.
enter into your
Màá
relationship.
wọnú ìbáṣepọ̀ yẹn lọ.
Can I ask the rest of us to stand on our feet
gbogbo àwa yòókù tá a wà nínú
Stand
ibùjókòó
up,
ẹ jẹ́ ká
stand
dìde
up on
lórí
your feet.
ẹsẹ̀ wa
and start praying?
ẹ dìde ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gbàdúrà
Start talking to God and say, Lord,
ẹ bọ́ Ọlọ́run sọ̀rọ̀
líle àyà yìí,
this hardness of heart
Lord, do something to my heart
lọ
this
ṣe
night.
nǹkan kan sí i lálẹ́
Talk to God tonight.
bá Ọlọ́run
This
sọ̀rọ̀
hardness of my heart,
líle àyà mi
soften my heart.
Olúwa
Perform a
ṣe
miracle.
rọ̀
Everybody begin to pray.
gbogbo ènìyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀
Those
sí
of you that are
gbàdúrà
kneeling down, talk to God
èyí
tonight
tẹ́ ẹ kúnlẹ̀
and
síwájú
say,
ẹ bá
Lord,
Ọlọ́run sọ̀rọ̀ pé Olúwa
this hardness of heart,
líle àyà yìí
this hard
líle
heart
àyà yìí
that has caused trouble between me and my
fa
husband,
wàhálà láàrin èmi
that has
àti
caused
aya
trouble
mi
between me and
láàrin èmi
God.
àtọkọ mi
Father,
láàrin
deal
èmi
with it
àtọlọ́run
tonight.
Olúwa ṣe
Go ahead
nǹkan
and
lórí ẹ̀
talk to God.
lálẹ́ yìí
Talk to God tonight.
bá Ọlọ́run sọ̀rọ̀ lálẹ́
The great Redeemer is here tonight.
olùràpadà lábẹ́bí
He said, I'm
lálẹ́
here to redeem your destiny.
Ọlọ́run wà níbí láti ra àyànmọ́ rẹ
I'm
padà
here tonight to redeem your family.
ó ṣetán láti ra ìdílé rẹ
Will
padà
you not allow me?
ṣé ò ní gbà láyè
If you need to be in front here, step out
bá
and come
nílò
now.
láti wá síwájú bí máa
If God
bọ̀
is still
ààyè
struggling
sì
with your
wà
heart, stand up.
tí kinní yẹn bá
Step
dà
out.
gùdù lọ́kàn rẹ pé
Join us here tonight.
bọ́ wájú máa bọ̀
God is ready to
Ọlọ́run
redeem you.
ṣetán láti rà ọ́
He's
padà
ready to change things for
ó
you.
ṣetán láti yí nǹkan padà fún
Everything
ẹ
that is hard around you, gbogbo ohun tó le koko lára,
everything that is hard around you
God is ready to soften.
Ọlọ́run ṣetán láti ṣèwọ́n
Those
rọ̀
of us that are praying in the front,
ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà wájú tẹ́ gbàdúrà yìí
tell the Lord,
ẹ sọ fún Olúwa
change my heart.
Olúwa yí ọkàn mi padà
Change my heart.
yí ọkàn mi
Remove
padà
this hard-heartedness.
ọkàn tó lè yí Olúwa
Remove this hard-heartedness.
yọ kúrò
This separation between
yọ
me and
nílé
God.
àyà yìí kúrò
Settle it tonight.
ìyapa láàrin èmi àtọlọ́run yìí
Thank you,
Olúwa
Father.
yanjú ẹ̀ lálẹ́ yìí.
I surrender all. I surrender all. Surrender. Mo fi gbogbo rẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Mo fi gbogbo. Unto thee, my blessed Savior. To thee. Blessed Savior, I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. Surrender. I surrender. Unto thee, Lord, to thee, blessed Savior, I surrender. Permit me to pray for those in front.
àwọn tó wà wájú yìí mo fẹ́ gbàdúrà pẹ̀lú wọn
Father, tonight,
Olúwa láṣálẹ́ yìí
how will you bring us out like this and you will not change our story?
báwo lẹ ṣe mú wa wá síwájú bí láìdé yí tàn wá padà
Father, for every man, every woman kneeling before you tonight,
fún gbogbo ọkùnrin àtobìnrin tó kúnlẹ̀ níwájú rẹ
what I
lálẹ́
am pleading with you to
tí
do
mo ń bẹ̀ ọ́ fún pé kò ṣe
is what you promised.
ó ní ìlérí
You
rẹ
said,
ó wí pé
a new heart I will give to them.
ọkàn tuntun ni èmi ó fi fún wọn
I will take away the hard heart, the stony heart.
ọkàn òkúta líle yẹn èmi ó mú un
I
kúrò
will put a heart of flesh.
èmi ó sì fi ọkàn yẹn rárá
Father,
síbẹ̀
tonight,
babalálẹ̀
in everyone that is kneeling before you tonight,
ọkàn gbogbo tó kúnlẹ̀
do it for us in the name of
Ṣé wà
Jesus.
ní orúkọ Jésù
Whatever causes hardness,
ohunkóhun tó bá ń fa líle
all the things that triggers hardness,
ohunkóhun tó máa ń bí líle yìí
Father, remove it from these lives in the name
yọ
of
kúrò nínú àwọn
Jesus.
ayé lórúkọ Jésù
Please, Lord, soften their heart.
jọ Olúwa ṣe ọkàn wọn rọ̀
Don't let them go back and be struggling to be soft.
má jẹ́ wọn ó padà lọ́kàn wá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́ tiraka pé káwọn
No, that's not what we're asking you tonight.
Olúwa tá à ń béèrè kọ́ yẹn
We're asking for a miracle
à ń béèrè fún ìyanu yẹn
that turns a hard heart
tó máa ń yí ọkàn líle
to a soft heart.
padà sí ọkàn
Do it in the name of
ṣe
Jesus.
ní orúkọ Jésù
So that when they return home,
kó lè jẹ́ pé tó bá padà délé
their husband will say, Kai,
àwọn ọkọ wọn pé
I have a new wife.
mo ti láya
Their
tuntun
wives
o.
will say,
àwọn aya
I have a new husband.
ọkọ mi ti yí
Because
padà o.
his heart, her heart
Torí pé
has softened.
ọkàn rẹ̀ ó ti rọ̀.
Give us that testimony in the
fún
name
wa
of
ní ẹ̀rí
Jesus.
lórúkọ Jésù.
Father,
bàbá
everything that has become hard around these lives,
ohunkóhun tó ti le koko yí àwọn èèyàn yìí ká
in their families,
nínú ìdílé wọn
in their within them and their husband,
nínú wọn láàrin àwọn àtọkọ àbáyá wọn
between them and you, the Lord,
láàrin àwọn àtiwọn Ọlọ́run
even in their business,
tàbí nínú ètò okòwò
everything
wọn
that is hard around them,
ohunkóhun tó le koko láyìíká
as their
wọn
lives, as their hearts has become softened,
gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkàn wọn ṣe ń jẹ̀rọ̀
every such hard situation,
gbogbo orú ipò
let
líle
them
bẹ́ẹ̀
become soft in the name of Jesus.
kí wọ́n rúkọ Jésù
Every siege
gbogbo ìdọ̀tí yí káàkiri
that has come upon this life,
tó ti wáyé àwọn èèyàn yí káàkiri
every trouble,
gbogbo ìyọnu
crisis,
wàhálà
storms
Ìjì.
around this life,
tó yí ayé àwọn èèyàn
tonight,
yí ká lálẹ́
we
yìí
speak to you.
a sọ̀rọ̀ sí
Break in the name of Jesus.
lulẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù
Every sickness,
gbogbo àìsàn
every disease,
gbogbo àrùn
every bondage,
gbogbo ìdè
bad sleep, bad luck, anything that they say is
oníburúkú àìrójú
negative.
rere tó lòdì
Tonight,
Lálẹ́.
as these ones have come to God,
bí àwọn yìí ṣe
we
wá
challenge you in this life.
pè ọ́ níjà nínú
We
ayé
command
wọn
you, take off in the name of Jesus.
jádànù lórúkọ Jésù.
Thank you, our Father.
ẹ ṣé bàbá wa
Lord, what we are saying tonight,
ó tà ń sọ
we are
lálẹ́
we are going to experience the joy out of it.
ìrírí ayọ̀ rẹ̀
Thank you, our Father.
ẹ ṣé bàbá
We
wa
worship and exalt your name
a sì gbé orúkọ rẹ̀
in the
ga
name of
ní
Jesus.
orúkọ Jésù.